What's going on, everybody? So welcome back to Bloodborne episode 4. So we left off running into a child who was left home alone without his mummy, who has gone missing, and I must find Mummy, which is actually really cool. I was not aware that there were actual side missions in this game, so I'm actually pretty excited to, like, get off me, get off me, gross ass bird. So I'm pretty excited to actually look for Mummy. I want to see where she is, and hopefully she's alive. I really hope it's actually her and not a dead body, because the kid's dad went out and he didn't come back from the hunt, so that probably means he's dead. Mommy went to go look for him. I don't want Mommy to be dead, because that's just sad. You can't do that to me. That's mean. Oops, I almost missed him. So yeah, and actually, oh no, wait, I'm going in the wrong direction. No, I'm going in the right direction, because there's a shortcut. So I'm actually going to try, keyword try. I'm going to try and take out, oh, excuse me, pardon me, nope, I'm sorry. Excuse me, pardon me. I'm late actually. I have a meeting. No, I'm good. Excuse me, sorry. Didn't mean to intrude. I don't want to deal with them right now. No, excuse me, sir. I'm late. No. I swear, I don't want any. Alright. Let's hurry up this ladder. Chicka. Yeah. I have a sassy climb. But yeah, keyword try to take on this boss that I found. I guess it's the first boss in the game. And if that's the first boss in the game, what in God's name is the second boss in the game? Or the third boss? I don't want to know. Actually, I do want to know, because I'm actually really excited. Because, as I mentioned before, I like monsters. So, I really like creature design for some reason. Like these guys. I don't even know if they're werewolves. They're just creepy. I guess I would call them werewolves. They have a very humanistic stance. Like, that is not how an actual wolf's behind legs work. Yeah, that cloud of smoke up there, that's bad news, basically. That's bad news bears. You're just in the way now. Whoop, and the birds. I missed. Ow, didn't dodge very well. Come on, fucking gross-ass bird. Oh, God, I hate how they slither like that. They just kind of slime their way across the ground. Yuck. Yeah, if you guys haven't played this game, or if you have, the first boss is pretty cool. Like, when I found it, I was like, you've got to be shitting me. So, let's see. I'm going to heal real quick. Disclaimer, I'm probably going to die. But here we go. Of course, the first... Yeah, here he is. That thing. Giant bird goat. Alright, you piece of shit. I've heard the best strategy to take you on is from underneath and do as much damage. How did I just, like, do that much damage? What? What did I just do? What did I do? I just, like, ripped out its face or something? What was that? Why was that so effective or something? What the... Ah, shit, I was not paying attention. Get off. Let go. Okay, you do significantly less damage now, which is really cool. Oh, yeah, I have a lock-on feature. I can do that now. Ha. Oh. What's that? What is that? What was that whole blood mist thing going on? Oh, shit, I'm not doing it too good. Come on. Get up, you son of a bitch. Fuck off. Told you. I did a lot more damage this round, though. Okay, back for round 2. Here we go. Alright, so, I don't know why I wasn't using the freaking lock-on feature at the beginning. Ha! Get out of here. But yeah, did you guys see that where like I grabbed its face? What was that? I've never seen that before. And I would like to see it again. I would like to continue to do that through the entire match until he dies. A horrible and sad death. Am I going the right way? I'm not going the right way. Oh crap, no, it's up that bridge. Damn it. Don't worry, I'm figuring this out. I'm not lost. That's right, I need to go up through here. Sneak past through. Don't need to mess with you guys, you're just in the way. I'm gonna go ahead and take you out just because I don't know if you're gonna be here when I come back. Excuse me, pardon me. God, I hate the crows. They're more of a problem than he is. Just because they're everywhere. And I need to figure out the timing of the swing. Because you can't just like slash. You actually have to kind of like time it a little bit. Yeah. It's like right when you get it back in your second hand, which is actually kind of cool. It actually adds an element of a realism to it. So it's like you're not just chop. It's actually swing, recover, as if you are really heaving around a giant fucking battle axe. Where'd he go? Woo! Boy, you can jump, can't you? Fuck. You better run, you piece of shit. Do these throwing knives do anything to you? No, probably not. Oh yeah, I got throwing knives too, which is cool. Ow, fuck. He has a... Oh my god, he has a really... Fuck this. I gotta heal. Stab. Oh man, you are too fast, dude. Come on, give me a chance. Okay. Stay underneath him. Ow. He still does a lot of damage. Fuck. Come on, you piece of shit. My combos are just too slow. Smash. Thank God almost every enemy in this game gives you those blood vials, because I would be boned if I didn't have those. I'm trying to keep a consistent, like, 20 of them. I didn't grab his face this time. Get back. Oh, man. Yeah, come on, you piece of shit. Oh, I dodged it. Oh, I was not expecting to dodge that. Back. Jump back. There we go. Come on, you piece of shit. Oh, wow, I walked right into that one. Yeah, that was... No, that's okay. What is that? What is that you're doing? Does that heal you? That better not heal you. I keep fucking into it. I can't see myself. I cannot see myself. Get out of there. Get out of there. Get back. Come on, you son of a bitch. Oh, charge attack. Yeah, come on. Shh. Oh, fuck you. Get up to him. Get up underneath him. Come on, keep slashing. Get out of there. Come on, heavy combo. Fucking twat. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, I have a stamina bar, that's why. I keep forgetting that. That's why I can't do the heavy attacks. Get back. Come on. I'm doing good. Come on. Alright, we're gonna make a run for it. Try and get some more ground. Oh, that was a bad idea. Oh no, I made it. I still took damage, but I fucking made it. Oh. Heal. Come on, you fartmonger. You son of a bitch. Get closer. Shit, get back. Oh, fuck, come on. I gotta keep an eye on my stamina. I gotta get better at that. That'll really help. There we go. Oh, watch out. Oh, shit. God, he's gotta reach. Oh, I keep walking into that fist. Oh, God. Damn it. Come on. Get some fucking hits in. Don't touch me. Bail. Sorry, guys. I'm gonna try and focus here for a second. I'm so close. Come on. I literally, every single time, I run right into that fucking move. And that one. Oh, come on. Get out of there. Okay. Oh, what's he doing? What is that? Acquire what? Why did I just get those? Why did I just get a lot of blood echoes? Can't see myself. Come on, get as much swings in as you can. Get out. Back. Come on, you son of a bitch. Oh, my heart is pounding right now. Yeah? Throwing a little tantrum? Oh, you're getting close with that tantrum. Oh, I don't know what that is. I really don't know what that is. I don't know if he like... Come on. Get out. Yes! God damn it, that feels good. Oh, man. I got a badge. Fuck yes. Oh, wow, that is rewarding. Oh, thank you. Oh, I was really hoping I didn't have to run all the way back and fucking do that shit. Oh. Yeah, I don't give a shit about Quicksilver bullets. Okay, so I'm guessing that is the cathedral. God, I look awesome covered in blood. Whew. That was fucking intense. Okay. Well, I'm glad it only took me 2 tries. I'm actually pretty happy about that. Whew. Yes, please. Oh, he only gave me 6,000? No, he only gave me like 4,000. That's dumb. I was expecting a lot more from that thing. Oh well, he's dead now. Now I can continue on with the game and actually make some progress. There's another beastie in the thingy! Oh! What is that? What do you have? What is that? Is that a bottle of alcohol? What is that? Oh, these guys are adorable. I don't know why, but oh, yes. New stuff. Kirk hammer? Repeating pistol. I need the repeating pistol. Bye. Yes, please. I don't think I'm going to be leveling up this round because all of these echoes are going into weaponry. Use weapons in both hands while illuminating the dark. That is handy. But I'm going to go with the Kirk hammer. That just sounds cool. Boom. Cool. Now I'm Thor. Yeah. Oh, sweet. You can hold two. Can I equip it? Aww. I can't even equip it? Why not? Items attribute requirements not met? What does that mean? Come on, man. I can't even... Wait, or does that just mean I can't have 2 weapons yet? No, I straight up just can't even use it. What do I need? What? Bullshit. Oh. I see. I'm not strong enough yet. I should have leveled up. Shucks. Oh well. Well, that's cool at least. Okay. Alright, you know what? Hold on. Oh, wait, hold on. Sorry, I had a little panic attack there. Let me go and use these. That is nowhere near enough to level up. Yeah, I'll just go and do that in the next episode. So yes, we did it. We made some progress. We took out the Cleric Beast, did some stuff, got some weapons. Yeah, this game is a lot of fun. Hope you guys are enjoying. Hopefully my combat was a little bit better. I'm not just flailing around like an idiot like I was before. But I really hope you guys are having fun watching. So please, join me in the next video on our next adventure. And hopefully, oh, that's right, we gotta find that kid's mom. So hopefully we'll probably do that in the next episode. I think she's in this area that I'm in right now. So I probably won't go to the cathedral just yet. So I'll look for mummy. So hope you guys are having fun. As always, please like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your friends. And let me know if I can do anything to improve in the comments below. I really appreciate it. But as always, talk to you guys later.